Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites, Python 3, 9 or newer, pip, and a local virtual environment. Once confirmed, create the virtualenv and pip install Pandas, NumPy, and optional Piero for fast Parquet handling. Next, package the site packages into a zip for Lambda or plan a Lambda layer to avoid large uploads repeatedly. Make sure to keep the package under deployment limits. If large, split dependencies into a layer and your handler code to speed deployments and simplify updates. Once you have libraries installed, zip the site packages together with your handler file, preserving the Python folder layout so imports work. Alternatively, create a Lambda layer from those dependencies and reference it in your function. This makes updates easier. Deploy via AWS SAM or the serverless framework to automate roles and environment variables. Finally, adjust Lambda memory and timeout. Pandas benefits from more memory because AWS scales CPU with memory. So increase memory to reduce runtime when processing larger data frames. You finish by testing locally with the SAM CLI and representative events to exercise Pandas code paths. Deploy and exercise the function, then inspect Cloud Watch logs for runtime details and stack traces. Enable AWS X-Ray if deeper profiling is required. If you hit import errors or missing symbols, make sure the Lambda layer uses the same Python runtime and that site packages sit at the root of the layer zip. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatch between package build environment and Lambda.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.